For today's video, we are here at CALA SALADA, but we're going to the other part, CALA SALADITA. So look at this beautiful view over here. Wow, this is amazing. So today is almost, I think it's almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon, but still it's very hot in here. So I'm with Liam and Guy TV. So let's go walking. Let's go over there. Vamos. 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 But going there is so, you have to cross this very difficult road here. Liam is crying, so I think I have to carry him. He's sleepy already, so I think I have to carry him later. It's a good spot over there, but it's a very difficult. There's no proper road to go over there. I don't know, what do you call this? It's very, very small road that you can cross to go to CALA SALADITA. But look at this, it's forest already over here. If you're first time here, or if you never been here in CALA SALADITA, well, you have to take this road. Look at that view. It's a very high cliff. It's very dangerous over there, so better to keep off there. So, but look at that. There's still few who are enjoying the beautiful wow. But I don't want to go over there because it's very, very steep, a very, very high cliff. When you fall, I think you have to count your bones. Look at that. It's amazing. No, come on, let's go. But the lifeguards, I think they are still there. If you're near in the cliff, the lifeguard will stop you because it's not allowed. Okay, where are we going? Let's go over here. But if you're a person who loves hiking, this beach is for you. But if you have problem with walking for a long distance, better you should not go in this beach. Wow. Wow. Look at this view. I think I consider this beach as one of Ibiza's most beautiful exotic beach. Okay, so let's go over here, but we must be careful because I don't know exactly what the term, but for going down also is a very difficult to step. Okay, we take very slowly.
I will wait here on the side.
Right.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
wait here on the side, okay?
Thank you. Let's go. Wow. Okay, here we are. Few steps more and we are in the beach. Okay, I'll show you how high is that. Look at that. Just like you're climbing the mountain. Okay, let's keep moving. And we're almost near. So we are here. Welcome to CALA SALADITA beach. Here we are. So this is the beautiful CALA SALADITA. So I walk you around the beach. Just stay around. So okay, I'll take you a tour at the beach. Let's go over here and let's see the beautiful beach over here. Wow, this is such a beautiful beach, CALA SALADITA. It's a difficult way to go over here, but it's worth. Look at the water. Wow, it's crystal clear water here. Wow, look at the fish. There's so many fish. I don't know if you can see in my camera. Look at that. There's so many fish. Wow. So let's go over there. There's the water here is very clean, and then the sun is fine. So let's check over there. Wow, it's a paradise. Well, there's so many small fish in the water. I don't know if you can see it, but there's so many of them. So let's go over there. Oh, this is such a paradise. I think this is one of Ibiza's most beautiful beach here. Yeah, I consider this. Wow, I don't know, but everywhere there they are. There's so many. So let's keep walking over here. And look, I tell you before, that's a very high cliff that when you fall, you cannot survive for sure. So let's keep moving over here. Wow, this is the first time I saw that there's so many small fish over here. Look at that. So Let's keep going over here. I think I have to pass in here. But I don't know if I can cross over there. But if not, I have to go back on my way. I think I cannot cross there. That's a very difficult way for me to go over there. So I think
We'll try it.
I think I have to go back. It's a very... But if you like climbing, you can cross over there. But me, I'm afraid. So I think I have to go back. But wow, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that fish over here. Wow. Wow. There are so many. There are millions of fish over here. So I think I have to go back, guys, because this is very, very difficult for me to climb over there. Look at that. But the view is stunning. This is such a perfect, beautiful beach over here. So let's go back because I cannot climb that pathway to go on the other side. So let's go back over here. So okay, there's no other way but to go back. Okay. I have to go back. Sorry, we have to pass her again. And wow, they are all over. The small fish are all over. They're all over here. So let's keep moving. It's past 6 in the afternoon, but still the sun is shining. So look at that big rocks over there. Oh. Okay, let's keep moving. Wow! I don't know if you can see it, but there are so many small fish. So let's keep moving over there. They're everywhere. So let's go over there. Wow! Also in here, there are so many. So it's a small beach over here, but on the other part there's also a place where you can lay down, but here there's a sandy part of the beach. So let's keep walking over there. Oh, I really enjoy watching the small fish, flock of fish swimming. Okay, so there is Liam over there enjoying the beach. Hello, Liam. So that is Liam. So he's enjoying the beach. So okay, this is the beach of CALA SALADITA. So I think that's all for today's vlog. Let's keep going. Bye bye.